gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
Hello everyone. After the intense heat of summer and that short, refreshing autumn, my favorite season has finally arrived, the calm and cozy early winter. And right in this gentle winter sunshine, Vivo has officially unveiled the brand new Vivo S50 series today. The Vivo S series has always been known for blending stylish design with strong performance. So what fresh surprises does the Vivo S50 bring this time? That's what this video is all about. Let's jump right in and experience just how steady and refined the Vivo S50 really is. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The moment you first see and hold the Vivo S50, the standout feature is without a doubt its all-new confession design language. The unit I'm using here is the flagship color of the series, aptly named Confession. It uses an innovative combination of sandblasting and photolithography, precisely arranging millions of light-diffracting gratings to form smooth, flowing axial light patterns. As you tilt the phone under different lighting and viewing angles, gold and cyan tones intertwine, creating a shimmering effect that feels like colored sand flowing gently in your hand, much like soft mist spreading across a quiet winter morning. This shifting play of light and shadow gives the Vivo S50 a dreamy, almost ethereal vibe, adding depth to its appearance and turning it into a fashion piece that subtly changes with your mood. And this winter-themed confession concept isn't just skin deep. The Vivo S50 is built using aerospace-grade aluminum alloy crystal blocks processed with high-precision CNC one-point machining. The surface then goes through fine sandblasting and anodizing, resulting in a warm, smooth, metallic feel. One detail I personally really like is the integrated fingerprint sensor. On top of that, the floating camera design continues Vivo's airy design language, with the camera module appearing to gently hover above the back panel like a carefully placed island. It clearly reflects the S-series identity while keeping the overall look balanced and elegant. There's more to appreciate when it comes to comfort. Even though the Vivo S50 features a 6.59-inch flat display with a golden ratio, the body remains impressively slim at just 7.49 millimeters thick and weighs only 196 grams. Thanks to the large 12.5 millimeter rounded corners and the slightly curved frame edges, it sits naturally in your palm when used one-handed. The phone also achieves a perfectly balanced one-to-one weight distribution, so even during long periods of use, it never feels tiring or awkward to hold. With the new OLED OS 6 grading theme, you can also personalize the phone in a fun and dynamic way. You can set your favorite scenery shots, personal photos, or even idle images as the grading theme. When you swipe left or right, the images shift dynamically, similar to a lenticular card, allowing your Vivo S50 to express its personality not just on the outside, but through the interface as well. Of course, these refined visuals are only the beginning. One of the most impressive strengths of the Vivo S50 lies in its camera system. It comes equipped with a 50-megapixel Sony a700V main camera, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 telephoto lens, an 8-megapixel 110-degree ultra-wide lens with low distortion, and a 50-megapixel front-facing soft-light selfie camera with anti-shake support. In everyday shooting, the 3x telephoto lens really shows its strength. Combined with Vivo's self-developed color tuning, the phone delivers excellent results across ultra-wide, wide, and even higher zoom levels. With the help of large model image enhancement technology, the Vivo S50 can still produce clean and detailed images at zoom levels beyond 10x. And that's just scratching the surface of its imaging capabilities. As live photos become more popular and more platforms begin supporting them, the Vivo S50 builds on its predecessor's dedicated live mode and challenging zoom shooting features to introduce an even more immersive live shooting experience. This includes highlight slow-motion live shots and zoom live videos. When capturing high-definition slow-motion live footage, you simply frame your subject. Once the frame turns yellow, a single tap is enough for the Vivo S50 to lock in those fleeting moments. Whether it's a friend's surprised expression or a joyful reaction, you can effortlessly create your own cinematic slow-motion scene. With just one touch, the phone smoothly switches from normal speed to high frame rate recording, while also adding seamless zoom transitions. The result feels polished and dramatic, almost like capturing a red carpet highlight moment. moment. For live shots with zoom effects, you can choose to move automatically from 1x to 3x, or from 3x back to 1x. The Vivo S50 handles the transition smoothly, blending wide and mid-range perspectives. This not only keeps the subject front and center, but also brings more of the surrounding environment into the frame, adding depth and an element of surprise to every shot. Of course, beyond the two cinematic time-lapse effects we just talked about, the previously introduced giggling time-lapse effect is also included here. When you're shooting, all you need to do is slowly move the phone, tap once, and the Vivo S50 will capture a dynamic image where the subject stays locked in place while the background appears compressed, creating a bold and eye-catching visual impact. With these professional-level live effects, the Vivo S50 now lets you achieve everything with a single tap. There's no need to add slow motion afterward or manually switch focal lengths and zoom during filming. The updated time-lapse mode on the Vivo S50 makes these high-impact atmospheric effects easy for everyone to use, not just experienced creators. And the Vivo S50 doesn't stop there when it comes to immersive live effects. This time, a brand new creative live option called Winter Snowflakes has been added to the time-lapse mode. Once you select it, the screen instantly fills with a snowy winter vibe, paired with soft lighting and cooler yet warm white skin tones. With this effect, it's effortless to create romantic, intimate winter scenes in every shot. Alongside the wide range of camera modes and atmospheric effects, the Vivo S50 also introduces a complete set of live film-style filters. These include holiday film, warm light film, film blue, and film green. For example, holiday film works perfectly for capturing everyday moments, adding a subtle film-like mood that fits daily life or casual street walks. When shooting under gentle morning light or warm afternoon sunshine, the warm light film filter helps create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. At sunset, the film blue filter enhances cooler tones, bringing out a slightly emotional mood while adding a calm, premium feel to your photos. And in scenes filled with greenery, the film green filter uses soft, low-saturation gray-green tones to deliver a soothing, comfortable, and healing visual style. Naturally, the Vivo S50 also handles classic portrait photography with ease. It supports a variety of live portrait effects carried over from previous models, including fisheye, low magnification framing, petal range effects, and soft lighting. With the Vivo S50 acting as a powerful live portrait camera, you can easily capture smooth, high-quality camera movements. When combined with different film frame effects, achieving textbook-level camera techniques becomes surprisingly simple. With such strong live shooting capabilities, the overall user experience is equally impressive. Designed to match the diverse daily needs of younger users, the Vivo S50 comes loaded with flagship-level features. It includes the ultra-fast ultrasonic fingerprint 2.0, which offers quicker recognition and instant unlocking. Even if the screen is wet or there are accidental touches, unlocking remains fast and reliable, making it easy to use in any situation. On the performance side, the Vivo S50 is powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, paired with flagship LPDDR5X memory and UFS 3.1 storage. It also includes the advanced Extro linear motor, VCE cooling system, stereo dual speakers, and a massive 6,500 mAh battery with 90-watt super-fast charging. Together, these high-end specs ensure smooth performance and reliable all-day use across different environments and weather conditions. At the time of recording this video, the pricing for the Vivo S50 series has not yet been officially announced. I'll share all the pricing details in the full in-depth review, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our tech family. What's clear already is that even the standard version of the Vivo S50 delivers a user experience that was previously reserved for pro models. It brings exclusive live shooting modes with dynamic camera movement, multiple CCD-style filters, a high-spec camera setup, and a powerful Snapdragon 8 series flagship chip, all seamlessly packed into this standard Vivo S50. Beyond its impressive live video performance, the Vivo S50 itself is also a beautifully designed device. It even comes with a special collaboration Nomier gift box, adding an extra layer of warmth and refinement. In the end, whether this stylish and high-performing Vivo S50 truly wins you over depends on when you decide to get your hands on one and start creating your own signature live videos. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, follow, and save this video for more content. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.